How to apply for a Santander Bank credit card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be talking about activating your Santander Bank credit card online. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to the website of santander.co.uk/personal/credit cards. And after you do that, you will be landed in this kind of surface of credit cards. Simply go ahead and scroll down. And first, you will have to select a card you want to have, such as Santander Edge credit card, by which you can get an extra 18 euros cashback if you have a Santander Edge or Edge of current account. And if you'd like to view the full details, simply go ahead and click on the full details option in order to read all about Santander Edge credit card. And if you'd like to check your eligibility for this card, click on this check your eligibility option. And there is another card that says that is all-in-one credit card, which gives 0% on the purchases credit card for 15 months. And they have the everyday long-term balance transfer credit card, 0% on the balance transfer credit card for 26 months, and everyday no balance transfer fee credit card, by which you can save on your balance transfers. Last but not least, they have the Santander World Elite MasterCard. You can get all these premium features and much more by getting this card, like access to over 1,400 airport lounges with the launch key. You can access your MasterCard Airport Security Fast Track, your global data roaming provided by FlexiRoam, and there will be no foreign transaction fees on purchases made abroad in the local currency. And you can have 0.5 cashback up to 15 euros per month on all the purchases, and you can also have 15 euros monthly account fee. So now let's go for a Santander World Elite MasterCard. If you'd like to see the full details, simply click on the full details option over here. And now from here you can view the World Elite card. And now if you would like to check for eligibility, you can simply go ahead and click on this option over here. It will take you to the page like this, where you have to enter your correct information about you, such as your title and your first name in this designated area, and your middle name, then your last name. Select your marital status, and after that, if there are people financially dependent on you, you can select the number like 1, 2, or more than 3 or none. Also select your current address and the accommodation circumstances. After that, also set your employment status, either employed, non-employed, not employed, homemaker, or retired. Enter your gross annual income. And if there is other household income, click on yes or no. Your monthly mortgage and rent payments, and your monthly credit and loan payments as well. After that, time with the main bank. And how many credit cards do you have? Then finally enter your email address. After you enter all the information correctly, click on this box of I acknowledge the data privacy statement. Finally, click on check my eligibility option in order to check if you're eligible to apply for the credit card or not. And after checking your eligibility, you can simply go ahead and provide your personal information, home address and contact information, income and expenses, and other information to Santander Bank in order to apply for a credit card. So this was all about it. This is how you can apply for a credit card in Santander Bank. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.